All right, how to set up your payment gateway. So go back to settings, okay, right here, select payment options, and here you'll be able to set up a payment gateway for your store so you can start accepting payments from your customers, right? So we have several different options, integrations inside Dropshiply. We have the most important ones, which are PayPal and Stripe. They are already installed, but you can also select the ones that you prefer, okay, for your store. We have 10 different gateways that you can integrate. Before adding a payment method to your store, you need to activate them in the marketplace, okay? So head over there, and as I showed you previously, just scroll down to the category that says payment gateway, okay? Select that, and here you will see all the integrations that you can enable, okay? So we have a lot of them. So as you can see, PayPal and Stripe are already installed, but we have many more, okay? Like for example, for our customers in Africa, we have Paystack, okay, which is a great e-com payment integration, okay? You can see the countries supported, okay? Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, and then we have Mali, which is another, integration gateway, payment gateway from Europe. Then we have Mercado Pago, which is it supports Central and South America. Then we have Toy Pay, okay, Malaysia only. This is and then we have many more, okay, that you can check. Instamojo for India, Razorpay for India. Then we have also cash on delivery, okay. Many more integrations are going to be added here, okay, so make sure you come back and check it, okay. So that's it for this video. Really easy stuff. In the next one, I'm going to show you how to set up your pricing rules, okay, which you can find right here in settings, okay, pricing rules. And this is crucial, okay, because we want to make sure that you get the highest profit margins possible for your store, okay. So this is very important to do it at the very beginning, okay. So that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one.